Have you ever heard of the book, The Richest Man in Babylon? I wrote some notes down earlier this morning and I want to share them with you. Please excuse my reading. The richest part of this story, and of any person who is successful, is the recipe that their story contains and reveals. The Richest Man in Babylon reveals a repeatable process that utilizes several different laws in a systematic way that produces specific results. The same is true about Think and Grow Rich, Acres of Diamonds, Cracking the Millionaire Code, and others. In these books, they have shared what they have come to learn. The authors have shared what they have come to learn to the best of their ability, to the extent and with the extent of their knowledge and capability. I'm here today with you doing the same. One is not required to be a chef in order to follow a recipe. The story, referring to the book in this instance, specifically The Richest Man in Babylon, the story contains the recipe, except that it is in a different format. It's in a different format than the recipe for chicken cacciatore or whatever your favorite dish is or dessert. It's in a different format. Some people have subconsciously translated the story into a recipe format, followed the recipe, and experienced some success. Now, the connection that one has with another, that is with the author or coach, mentor, teacher, etc., is grounded in their being able to identify, relate, have a common goal, and belief or believe with or to the author, coach, mentor, teacher, etc. And that author, coach, mentor, priest, teacher, mentor, priest, preacher, and is the reason they begin following them. That connection, in other words, the individual being able to identify, relate, have a common goal, or belief and or belief or believe that's shared with the author. That forms a connection, and that's how they connect. And with that is the reason that they begin following that person or following that author, etc. And by following a person, that person becomes their leader, the authority, and is designated as a credible resource. Subconsciously, the individual assigns a value and recognizes the worth of that author, coach, mentor, teacher, priest, preacher, whoever it is, and recognizing that and pursues their knowledge. Anything and everything that the person offers, they pursue it because it's not, they pursue it because they believe that through the information shared will allow them and permit them to experience similar results. The whole point is that we model, we find people that model or have had success. We look for their story that they share about it, or it might be in some other format, might be a course, might be a webinar. And we seek that information until we begin to experience or have achieved the goal that we're seeking, that we're pursuing. And that we do these things on a subconscious level using our thoughts, feelings, words, and actions. And I just wanted to share this insight that I've learned with you. Because I used to, people have, for example, I read people, I read Think and Grow Rich. I've heard people say, oh, what a difference it's made in their life. And I'm looking at my life and I did not realize a similar success or difference in my life as the person was expressing their reading, Think and Grow Rich has had in their life. And I've wondered why. Well, with this video, when this information came to me today, I understood the difference. And I wrote some notes down, and the reason why I shared this video, wrote the notes down and wanted to share this with you in a video. I'm still learning, and I want to thank you for your patience with me with this video. If you watched it to the end, I apologize for stumbling with words. I sometimes get excited, not making an excuse. Anyway, thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.